There, boys and girls, I've got 3 models to show you guys. It's been maybe 2 years since I've last built any models, so I've got a Bushmaster here, which I found really cool, and I really enjoyed making these 2 1/72 scale ASLAVs because if you ain't Cav, you ain't. This was to signify my time during 1st Armoured in Adelaide, and we were crewing and working out of these vehicles. These were our lifeline, and yeah, I just made a couple of them just to remember the times, the good times and the shit times that we've had together. I've got the APC and the combat variant. So yeah, this is just to get me warmed up before making a couple more nicer models, and I've got a 135 ASLAV which I really want to do it justice to represent my time in A Squadron. As you can see, this is the shell casing of 25mm, and yeah, compared to the ASLAV of 172, that's equivalent of the size. I really enjoyed making these, and keep following, keep watching, and you'll see how I'm gonna make, or how I made these models. Thanks.
So here's a few snaps of my time in A Squadron. Here we're doing a regimental run, throwing chicken at each other. Here's our true live fire shoot. You get 25mm in the background going boom boom boom. Yeah, my crew on 50 is a bit of a shit shot, as you can see. Yeah, look at this one. So today I've got these 2 to make, the Lav and the Bushy. I used to be in the 1st Armoured Division, and this is what I've made. I might edit it, make it look nicer, but that's what it looks like. Starting with the APC ASLAV, I'm just snipping away, sanding, just cleaning up the pieces. I use Rebel contactor and Tamiya thin mostly. Contactor I use for hard places. And here's the finished build. It's the base, nice and neat, pretty detailed. Now we'll start the PMV. The PMV is by Dragon, which is very, very detailed. I do like the molding. I'm just priming all my models with the Tamiya spray. Yeah, I'm just doing a bit of the masking for the windows. This is the worst and tedious part. I hate this, especially when making airplane cockpits. But yeah, we just carry on, chip away, glue, snip, snip, snip. I really like the Dragon detail. They did a very, very good job with the Bushmaster. It's very clean, it's crisp, and the details really pop out. Yeah, I was doing the base paint, starting with the sandish color. I like to hand paint. I don't have an airbrush. All my models I've either used the spray cans or hand brushed all my models, and again, this is no different. Now I'm applying the green and then the black. It's pretty cool. I tried to keep the paint thin. I used the UMP thinners. I've had it for such a long time. It's such a really good thinner, and yeah, it works well with the Vallejo model colors. So I varnished it, glossed it, applied the decals, and now I'm just doing a bit of weathering or panel lining just to accentuate the details. Seal it off again with a satin finish now, just to protect the paint. And here are the finished products. So this is the old one that I've done before from Trumpeter as well. It's the gun variant. This is where I first attempted to do a bit of just basic weathering, just to see what it looks like when how the paint goes. Turret turns, it's pretty cool. I really like this one still. It still looks quite neat. And here are the two other models. So here is the APC variant that you saw me build. I think I did a much cleaner job with this one. It visually pops out. I didn't do much weathering. I just enhanced the panel lines and just the details with the panel liner. Pretty detailed, nothing to complain. It looks pretty cool next to the gun variant. Here's the Dragon Bushy. It's a PMV. I really like the decals. I think it's by Cartograph, as Dragon do. The red kangaroo really pops. I also like the number plate. It's very, you can read it quite easily, and it works well with the setting solutions. Well, I hope you enjoyed all these models. I'm going to enter into the Queensland Model Expo here in August. And yeah, stay tuned for more modeling and more awesome content. Thanks, guys.